The Alaafin of Oyo, Oba Adeyemi III, has passed on. He was 83 years old. The top Yoruba monarch died in the late hours of Friday, according to palace officials. Oba Adeyemi died at the Alaafin University Teaching Hospital, Ado-Ekiti. The late Alaafin's first son, Prince Tunde Adeyemi, and other children had received the monarch's remains at Idigba in Oyo town in the early hours of this morning. Palace sources confirmed that traditional rites had begun without giving any details about his burial arrangements yet. Oba Adeyemi ruled for 52 years before his demise, making him the longest reigning Alaafin. By tradition, the head of the Oyomesi, Basharun of Oyo, High Chief Yusuf Ayola, will take over pending the appointment of a new Alaafin. Basharun is also expected to brief the governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde, before an official announcement. The late Alaafin of Oyo was from the Adeyemi branch of the Aloye family. He was born on October 15, 1938. During his late childhood stage, he lived briefly at Iseyin. Adeyemi III was the son of Oba Adeyemi II, the former Alaafin of Oyo, who was deposed and sent into exile in 1954 for having sympathy for the National Council of Nigerian Citizens. He succeeded Alaafin Gbadegesin Ladigbolu II in 1970 and was crowned on January 14, 1971. He was a lover of boxing. Adeyemi's death came after the demise of Seun of Ogbomoso, Oba Jimoh Oyewumi, and the Olubadan of Ibadan land, Oba Saliu Adetunji, who died on December 12, 2021 and January 2, 2022 respectively. We'll bring you more details later as we get them.